Give me 40 seconds and I'll show you how to elevate your morning coffee game to a whole new level. So picture this: you stumble out of bed, craving that perfect cup of joe, but then the grinder roars to life, waking up everyone in the house. Not the best start, right? But fear not, because I've got the solution you've been waiting for. Introducing the SHARDOR Adjustable Coffee Bean Grinder Electric. This sleek black grinder not only gives you the perfect grind for your coffee, but it also lets you adjust the precision from coarse to fine with ease. Plus, it's quieter than your average grinder, so you can enjoy your morning ritual without disturbing the peace. Say goodbye to noisy mornings and hello to perfectly ground coffee. Get the link in the bio and upgrade your mornings today.